So hi, and my name is Karsten. I work at the German Climate Computing Center in Hamburg in Germany, and I'm the leader of the work package number 3 of ESiWACE3, which is about tackling the data challenge of the upcoming high-resolution climate and weather simulations. Essentially, it's about making the life of the scientist much easier and assisting them with tools and approaches to handle the big data amounts which are upcoming in the new simulation. I'll go a step back and say, well, this challenge in data, what's it exactly? So this challenge can be put into two parts. There's the one part about data storage. So how do we store these big amounts of data, and how do we make these big data amounts available to the community and the scientists? And the second part is about data analysis. So can we help the scientists in actually handling and getting the most out of the information content of this data? In the work package, we have 3 tasks, with the first task being occupied with the storage of data. And with this task, we explore new techniques for storing these big simulation amounts and making these accessible over a variety of storage backends. So storing data on fast disk access, on slow tape, and even on the cloud. Exploring the ways of how this may work best for the future. And then this task also covers access, so devising the way this data can then be accessed by the scientists as well, which is extremely important. The second task is about compressing data. So actually I'm getting away from this really big petabyte scale data amounts to achieving compression of data without actually losing information, being able to make the best out of storage use plus the analysis of the science, so that, and that the science is not impeded by compressing the data. So there we'll be exploring established techniques, but evaluating them for domain-specific use. So what's the best compression technique for climate model data? And in the third task, it's about developing new tools and approaches for data analysis, to build tools for an automated way of data access, data processing, an optimal combination of software and hardware for the scientists. In a nutshell, it's about making life for scientists much easier in terms of data, because the data is the big challenge of the upcoming simulations.